Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone involved in international trade: the letter of credit, or LC. It might sound complicated, but I promise, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how it works and why it's so important. So, what is a letter of credit? Simply put, it's a promise from a bank to pay a seller a certain amount of money as long as the seller meets specific conditions. Think of it as a safety net for both the buyer and the seller, especially when they're in different countries and don't know each other well. It reduces the risk of non-payment and ensures that the goods are shipped as agreed. Let's walk through the process with a simple example. Imagine there's a company in the United States called USA Gadgets that wants to buy 10,000 phone chargers from a manufacturer in China called China Electronics. Since they've never done business before, China Electronics is worried about not getting paid after shipping the goods. On the other hand, USA Gadgets is concerned they might pay but never receive the chargers. This is where the letter of credit comes in. The first step is for the buyer, USA Gadgets, to go to their banklets, call it American Bank, and apply for a letter of credit. They'll fill out an application detailing the terms of the sale, the exact goods, the price, the shipping date, the required documents, and who the seller is, which is China Electronics. American Bank reviews the application, and, if they approve it, they issue the letter of credit. At this point, American Bank becomes the issuing bank. Next, American Bank sends the letter of credit to the seller's bank in China. Let's call it Chinese Bank. Chinese Bank then informs the seller, China Electronics, that the LC has been issued in their favor. This bank is known as the advising bank. Now, China Electronics has a guarantee from a reputable bank that they will be paid once they fulfill their side of the bargain. With this assurance, they can confidently manufacture and prepare the 10,000 phone chargers for shipment. Once the chargers are ready, China Electronics ships them to the United States. When the goods are on their way, the shipping company provides China Electronics with several important documents. This usually includes a bill of lading, which is proof of shipment, a commercial invoice detailing the goods and their value, and an insurance certificate. These are the exact documents that were specified in the letter of credit. The seller then takes all these documents and presents them to their bank, Chinese Bank. Chinese Bank carefully checks the documents to make sure they match the terms of the LC perfectly. This is a critical step. Even a small typo can cause delays. If everything is in order, Chinese Bank forwards the documents to the issuing bank, which is American Bank in the U.S. American Bank performs its own review. Once they confirm that all conditions have been met, they release the payment to Chinese Bank, which in turn pays the seller, China Electronics. At the same time, American Bank passes the documents to the buyer, USA Gadgets, who now needs them to claim the goods from customs when they arrive. So, let's recap the benefits. The seller, China Electronics, gets paid without having to worry about the buyer defaulting. And the buyer, USA Gadgets, is assured that they will only pay after the goods have been shipped and all the correct paperwork is in place. The banks act as trusted intermediaries, making international trade much safer and smoother for everyone involved. It builds trust where there might not be any. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up